Generally speaking, international law disputes occur between nations when nations are in dispute. However, on occasion, and there have been a few of these in previous case notes, on occasion a nation will stand forward on behalf of one of its own nationals, whether it be an individual or a company, in support of that national's position. In this case, Peru had been a bit of a disaster for most of the 19th century, and in 1879 they became involved in the War of the Pacific, a war also including Bolivia and Chile. The war didn't go well for Peru, and Chile was ultimately victorious, taking land from both the other countries. Wars are expensive, and in order to fund the war, Peru had borrowed extensively. Among other loans, it borrowed tens of thousands of pounds sterling from a firm called Jose Canevaro and Sons. By 1889, Canevaro and Sons was in the hands of the Sons, and they were having trouble getting their money repaid. The Peruvian economy was still a mess, and the government had implemented a law to the effect that any domestic debts would only be repaid by the issue of 1% bonds. In simple language, instead of paying their domestic debt with money, they were going to roll it over into new debt. Foreign debts, however, they were going to pay in cash. They had to do it that way in order to keep Peru's access to foreign funding support. Because the firm was now in the hands of the Sons, and because two of those sons also had Italian citizenship, the Canevaros arranged for the Peruvian debt to be transferred to the brothers with Italian citizenship. They then demanded payment on the basis that this was now foreign debt being owed to citizens of a foreign country. They were also Peruvian though. So was the debt foreign or was it domestic? The Permanent International Court of Arbitration said that the debt remained domestic. They said it is a general rule that heirs take property in the condition it was in when in the possession of the decedent. In other words, they found that the Canevaros could not put themselves in a better position simply by transferring the debt. It started out as domestic debt and must be administered as such. So the Canevaros were paid in bonds and not in cash.